In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automations in ActiveCampaign. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. ActiveCampaign is an incredibly powerful tool for managing your email marketing campaigns, and automations are one of its standout features. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up automations that can save you a ton of time and streamline your marketing processes. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to log into your ActiveCampaign account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left-hand sidebar where you'll see a menu. Look for the option labeled Automations and click on it. This will take you to the Automations dashboard, where you'll find all your existing automations. If you're starting from scratch, no worries. You'll see a button that says Create an Automation at the top right corner. Click on that, and you'll have the option to choose from a variety of pre-built automation templates, or you can choose to start from scratch. Starting with a template can save you some time, especially if you're new, but for the purpose of this video, let's go ahead and create one from scratch so you can see the full process. After clicking Create from Scratch, you'll be prompted to choose a trigger for your automation. Triggers are essentially the events that will launch your automation. For example, you might want to start an automation when a contact subscribes to your newsletter, or maybe when they click on a specific link in your emails. Select a trigger that aligns with your goal and click Continue. Next, you'll see a screen where you can configure the trigger settings. Depending on the trigger you've chosen, you might need to add specific details. For instance, if you selected subscribes to a list, you'll choose which list that is. After you've set up your trigger, don't forget to click Add Start to save that part of the automation. Now we're ready to add the next step. You'll see a graph-like interface where you can drag and drop various actions into your automation workflow. Click on the plus sign to view options like sending an email, tagging a contact, or even waiting a certain period before performing the next action. This is where the magic happens. Let's say you want to send a welcome email immediately after someone subscribes to your list. Click on Send Email, and then you can either select a pre-existing email or create a new one. If you choose to create a new email, you'll be taken to the email editor where you can design your welcome message. After finalizing your email content, make sure to save it and return to the automation builder. You can continue adding more steps, such as tagging contacts or waiting a few days before sending another follow-up email. Just remember to think about the customer journey and how you want your audience to interact with your brand throughout. Once you've built out your automation flow, there's one more crucial step: activating it. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll find a button that says Active. Click on that to turn your automation on. And that's it. You've successfully created your first automation in ActiveCampaign. Take a moment to check your automation and make any adjustments if necessary. As you become more comfortable, you can start experimenting with more complex flows and triggers. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more tips on leveraging tools like ActiveCampaign to boost your marketing efforts.